Good afternoon and welcome to the SQL How to Create Temporary Column Names with a Keyword As tutorial from Godbrain Games. My name is Wale. Alright, let's begin. So in our example, the table orders, column name is item, and we're going to try and change that to product. Let's run it first. Let's see, make sure it works. There we go. So it's pretty easy. You just have to have select in all caps, followed by the column name that you want to change, as well as the column you want to change, and the as in all caps, followed by what you want to change the column name to. And the column name will only last as long as the query lasts, so you don't have to worry about that. And you may need a comma depending on your compiler after product. But anyways, next line is just from in all caps, and then the order, and then the the table name that you want to grab it from. So in our example, it's orders table followed by a semicolon. So that's why we have the orders and item. That's why we have it as orders here. And you can also do two columns at one time just by putting a comma there. So for example, we could change amount to price in orders. So amount as price. Let's see if that works. Boom. That does work. Just 400, 300. Make sure we have it in the same order. Yep. All right, you can leave the tutorial now, or I'm gonna do one more example. And I'm just gonna, in our customers table, I'm gonna change last name just to family name. All right. I have another one of these coming with renaming tables as well, I believe. But anyways, subscribe for more SQL tutorials. That should be everything. So we have the select in all caps, as, and the from. Boom. It goes Doe, Luna, Robinson, Reinhardt, Doe. Doe, Luna, Robinson, Reinhardt, Doe on ours. All right. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.